Going to install the shield on my Note 8. So I'll go ahead and get it ready. Okay, just waiting for this to turn green. And you can see that we have the NFC icon, maybe. There you go. Once again, just waiting for this to turn green. There we go. And that prompt was just saying basically it's going to be an admin of the phone, and that's of course what we want, so it can manage the packages. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get a close-up here. We can see that device admin in V3 is enabled, so let's go ahead and enable Knox. It's just a standard user agreement here. And now we're waiting for the, oh, there we go, activated successfully. All the good new features we have. We can go into the shield, and we'll notice the shield works. We also have the app manager. There we go. It's that easy.